I'm Roque and welcome to my alternative normal life. I swear one of these days I am going to get that intro right the first time round. So I just finished recording the video for my main channel talking about my journey on YouTube, and I just want to do a quick little tutorial on something that I had to figure out for myself when I was kind of rebranding on my main channel. That is how to change your custom URL on YouTube, because I know they say that it's not possible, but it is possible because I did it on my main channel. So I couldn't find a tutorial that helped me when I wanted to do this, but fortunately it was very easy to figure out, so yeah, let's do this quickly. I'm gonna be sitting at a weird angle because I have to look at all the screenshots that I took just to make sure that I don't mess this up. Also, the screenshots are gonna be here so you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so the first thing you do is you open up YouTube and you click on your little profile picture in the top right corner. You go down and you click on settings. That will take you to another little screen where you will click on the edit on Google option that will be next to your profile picture. So you click that, you go into the wonderful and oh so useful Google Plus page that we are all so graciously given. And you are going to click on the little edit thing on the big space where your username is. So once you go there, you are going to change your name to the name you want your channel to be. So because I changed my channel to the Socks Box, I put the whole thing, the Socks Box, as my first name and as the display name. And then you say OK. And then you're going to go back to the main Google Plus page, and just below where your username is, you are going to see a thing that says sites, which will have your YouTube link, all of your social links, and all of your claimed URLs. So you're going to click on the little edit option there. You'll get a little pop-up window, and over there you are going to click on the little cross to cancel the current custom URL that you have. So once you do that, you are going to go back to that page that you were on YouTube where you clicked editing Google. Go back there and you're going to click the view additional features thing, or you go to the little sidebar on YouTube and you go to channel, and it's the first option under there, which is status and features. So you go there, you're going to get like copyright strikes and stuff, and then there'll be a whole lot of blocks with the different things that your channel is able to do. Probably not explaining that right, but anyways, down near the bottom, the third last option will be custom URL. So the screenshot that I have here is from this channel and not the one where I have my custom URL. But anyways, on that you are going to have the option to claim a URL, and then you can claim the one that is now matching your new username if it's not being claimed by someone else already. So you do that as long as you meet the requirements. I think it's 100 subscribers and your channel needs to be active for 30 days or something. I'm not sure. Whatever they are, I will have a screenshot of that here. I actually don't remember what it is. But yeah, once you do that, done. You have a new custom URL for your YouTube channel. I hope you guys found this helpful. I definitely would have found something like this helpful last month when I was figuring out how to do this. Disclaimer, I do not know a lot about YouTube stuff, so if you have any questions, I probably won't be able to answer them. I was just very lucky that I managed to figure this out by myself. However, I guess you could leave questions in the comments and maybe someone else will know how to answer them. So yeah, we can all help each other, because sometimes YouTube support doesn't give us all the answers we want. No offense, YouTube or Google or anyone. I'm just saying. Sometimes we need to rely on each other, because as creators we're all in this together. So yeah, that is it for this video, Everyday in November video. For anyone who doesn't care about the rest of what I have to say, thanks for watching, hope you found it useful. To the rest of you who actually watch my videos, yeah, I just felt like this was necessary to make, because I was getting a little frustrated, because the most helpful video I found on how to do this was to nicely request YouTube to change your URL, and I mean, I found this, you can do it yourself. It's fairly easy. Like, why doesn't a video like this exist already? I don't know, but now it does, because Roque is here to save the day. Sort of. But anyways, that is enough nonsense rambling from me for today. So I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. I do know what I'm doing tomorrow. I'm excited about what I'm doing tomorrow. I'm actually recording this on Monday, so this is way ahead into the future, but the video that I have planned for tomorrow is one that I am very, very excited about. It's one that I've been thinking about doing since I decided I was definitely doing VEDIN this year. Did I say VEDA earlier? I feel like I said VEDA again. I keep on wanting to say VEDA when I know it's VEDIN. But anyways, rambling too much, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!